Hi there, Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, and today I am going to try to make some of my very own potato chips in my air fryer. Now, all the recipes that I'm seeing say that I need to blanch these for a few minutes before I try to cook them in the air fryer, but I think I'm just going to adjust the air fryer a little bit and see if I can't maybe do it a little slower, a little lower, and not have to blanch them, because you know me, I don't want to pull another pot out and blanch it and whatever, right? So anyway, hi! Lorrie here on Vancouver Island, where I live with my fabulous mother and my fabulous husband, and we're just kind of sharing our life with you. And thank you so much for coming in and hanging out with us today. And everybody's hiding kind of in their own separate little worlds right now, but I'm in the kitchen because that is what I do. So I've got these potatoes and I've sliced them with a mandolin, or a potato cutter or a slicer or whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it. So, and then I just dumped a little bit of olive oil on there, and now I'm throwing in some salt and pepper, and I'm going to toss that around with my clean hands, and then I'm going to make sure that all of my potatoes are coated. And okay, I'm going to rinse my hands, and well, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in here first, and then I'm going to go rinse my hands. Yeah, so I left the skins on these potatoes because that's how I eat my potatoes. I eat my potatoes with the skins on. The kitchen studio.
Not to what I can see.
What do you mean, not to what you can see?
Yeah. All cluttered.
I'll be taking this back into the other room. Don't you fret.
Oh, I won't.
Little mister.
I won't.
Uh-oh, what the heck happened here now?
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to try it. Oh, I didn't even record. Oh, I did record that. So anyway, I threw the potatoes in there after it preheated. I turned it to 300 degrees, and I put it for 25 minutes, and I've set actually a timer on the fridge. It's going to remind me to check it in 5 minutes, and that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to check it and give it a shake in 5 minutes. This thing is really loud, so I'm going to speak up so that you can hear me. So it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to shake my food. So all I have to do with this model is just pull this out, everything stops, and I can pull this out, give it a shake. I'm going to spread it out again with my little flipper here. And then I'm going to, I think I'll do it on low heat for a little while. I'm going to set it for another 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. But I think in the end, to crunch up my potato chips, I'm going to whip it up to like 400 for the last 5 minutes. So we'll just check it every 5 minutes and see where it sits. Okay, so it just beeped its final beep, and like I said, I did turn it up to 400, which is probably a mistake. I should have probably only gone to 350. They're a little crispy. Now, I like my potato chips crispy, so it's not a big problem. Oh, and with this guy here, you have to set that like down on the ground, push this, and then the handle releases for the little bucket. So you can pull the little bucket out, and you can see my chips are a little bit on the brown side, but I'm going to dump them on this paper towel, spread them out a bit, and let them cool, and then I will be back for a taste test. So here we go. This is some dill dip that I made with some of the onions and dill from out of my garden, and we're going to try one of these crunchy potato chips with some of that dill dip. Mmm. That's really good. So some of my lighter potato chips are maybe not quite as crispy as I would like. I think next time I might leave it at 300 for most of it and then maybe turn it up to 350 for the last 10 minutes. This time I turned it to 400 and I checked it at 5 minutes and they had started crisping up a little bit too much. And so I think had I gone from 300 to 350, I would have been better off. So I'm going to try that next time. I will definitely be making these again in my air fryer. This was fabulous. Be sure to check out the hashtag Let's Air Fry, because that's where I'm going to be having this. It's an open collaboration for all kinds of people. I believe it was started by Michelle over at Michelle and Rob's Real Life, I think. I hope that's the name of it. I'll leave a link for them as well as Paige's Family Homestead down in the bottom. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. I would love to have a comment. Want this dill dip? Ask me for it. I'll give it to you. Anyway, have yourself a fantastic day. I'll see you again soon. Bye now.